Hey, what's going on YouTube? So today's video I'm going to show you exactly how to turn your headlights from yellow and foggy all the way to crystal clear and looking brand new. So this is a quick DIY that you can do at home for less than about $15 roughly. You can get this kit. It's the Maguire's cleaning solution. I'll leave a link in the description. It comes with the headlight coating to last an extra 6 months to a year or more. And then it does have the two-step cleaning. You use this by hand, but it also comes with this little pad here that actually sands it down technically, and we're gonna go and show you how to use it. And you're also gonna need a microfiber. Now this is what my headlights look like after about 6 months. It's not super terrible. If you continuously do it, then it'll keep lasting a long time. So the first step is to actually wash your car. Make sure it's actually clean. That way you don't put this on, dirt and it won't do anything. So make sure you wash your car, whether it's in the car wash or if you do it by hand. I always do my car by hand usually, unless I'm lazy. Once your car is pretty much dry, right now it is dry, you're gonna go ahead and get your cleaning solution. It's just this bottle right here, and you're gonna go ahead and shake it for about 5 to 10 seconds. Once it's shook, then you just grab your pad. You can also do this on a microfiber. Be a generous amount. You don't need a little bit, you need a pretty good amount. And you keep applying more if you need more, if you feel like you need more. So just go ahead and scrape basically in a diagonal version. You technically can go up and down, but just don't do circles. You'll be good if you don't do circles. So you just put some elbow grease in it, sand it down. It's perfectly fine if you get it on the car itself. You can just wipe it down before it dries. I'm gonna add a little bit more. So it should look pretty frosted now. Should look crispy creamed. Going to forward motion. I recommend doing it in sections. That way you don't focus on one part more than the other. All right, so now that that's pretty much done, we're gonna go ahead and get a microfiber. And what I like to do is I go over it a second time. Just put some like that. Just go over it a second time. This time you could go in circles if you want and continue doing a lot of elbow grease into it. I'm gonna add more. All right, now once you've done that, it should look like this. Now you're gonna go ahead and just wipe it with a damp cloth right here. Just wipe it down with a damp cloth, and that should reveal what you have done. But to take it a step further, you're gonna use your headlight coating here, and this is gonna help protect it from UV. You're gonna go ahead and spray it. Go about 3 to 4 inches. Spray the entire thing. You're gonna wanna do 2 coats of this at 15-minute intervals. So there we go. So now it looks a lot better, and that's after the first coat. You're gonna do a second coat in about 15 minutes. So make sure that one sits and dries in a cool and dark area, not sunny, cool area. Now we're gonna do the other headlight while that one is drying. There's a clear difference that I could tell immediately. And like I said, I do this pretty much every 6 months. That way it doesn't look super terrible. But I do have a picture, which is the thumbnail, that was the very first or second time that I've ever done it. And it actually it definitely helps like a huge amount. All right, we're gonna do the same thing on this side. And then you're gonna use the pad. It does come with 2 pads. So if you lose one or one gets dirty, one rips, you have the second one. And if you don't have a pad, this works perfectly with just a regular microfiber. It's better than actually taking apart the bottom piece, the top piece, unscrewing stuff, taking out the cap, cleaning it that way. Obviously that is a deeper clean, but that's gonna take 20, 30 minutes more. This is an easy, quick 5-10 minute clean. Stuff works like magic, it's amazing. Just gonna wipe down the area. Not the headlight just yet. Just wipe down the headlight. See that? An instant difference. There we go. Now we're gonna do a second coat. So that's what it looks like so far on coat 1. All right, so this is what it looks like from the front on coat 1. Now we're only gonna spray it. We're not gonna re-sand it. We're just gonna spray it. And you're gonna want to cure this for about a couple hours. Don't go immediately washing your car again. All right, so we just did the second coat. It is drying right now, but that instantly made it way better, as you can see. So you've seen on the thumbnail, the before and after. You've seen right now the before and after as well. It helped out 10 times. So if you wanna see the Maguire kit, I will leave a link in the description down below. This kit works like magic, as you can see. It looks super clean, very see-through. There's no yellowing, no fogging, nothing. It instantly made this look like a brand new pair of lenses right here. Brand new headlights. That's how you do it in less than 5 minutes. If you want to support, we'll drop a like on the video. If you want to see more car videos just like this, I highly recommend subscribing. Without further ado, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. We out.